Each animal is designed perfectly to play a role in the planet. And if we start taking bits and pieces of those out, we are left with a far less whole and less perfect planet that we're a part of. This is our house. It's just like selling the furniture to keep the house warm. To think that we can play and have as meaningful and enriched a role in our lives, not right now only, but for future generations, with missing parts, is flawed.
And those missing parts would then stop the tourist industry that comes into Africa. And I think we have to understand that in 2019, it was about a $50 billion industry. That's the whole of Africa. So if you take that away from Africa, that's a huge loss of economy.
We come from an exploring background and a conservation filmmaking background. And at some point we realized we wanted to really get into helping people and wildlife and basically giving second chances. So the Great Plains Foundation is designed around these second chances. So we move rhinos across the subcontinent, or we send women to India, so it's a range of things, but it's really all about those second chances.
Atrocities that are driving us forward, because we know if we can't assist in stopping them, there won't be the true African wilderness that we've grown up with. Working a long time on lions and elephant interaction. And we were very aware that lions were possibly taking down elephants, but never witnessed it. And we tried for an 8-year period, and eventually we were successful in capturing it on film at nighttime at 2 a.m. And that stays with me because what we felt at the time is, I think we straight away gave empathy to this 21-year-old elephant cow. She was roughly 21 years old. And it really was, how you sort of wishing for something to get up and survive.
Tipping point of that, or the changing point, is where it's not a natural hardship. Where, for instance, we find an elephant that's caught in a human started fire, or a snare, or a bullet wound, and then we'll move heaven and earth to fix that, to try and undo the damage that man has done. Without rangers in the field, without boots on the ground, by the time the world opens up again and people start traveling and wanting to come and see wildlife in Africa, which we agree is important, there won't be anything left.
you.